channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. For my all long-time subscribers, thank you for continuing to support me. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a back to school haul. Yes guys. Amari is going to be starting preschool come September, and I just thought I'll do a little haul just to show you all the things that I got for him. Please note that these are the things that were given to me by the school on their list of things. I didn't go above and beyond on anything. So yeah. So first we're going to start off with his textbooks. So 5 for a 2-year-old, guys, a 2-year-old. So the first one is this. Right Start Beginning 1, 2, 3 integrated workbook. Then we have Right Start Beginning ABC integrated workbook. This. Learning to Write the Smart Way. This one. Then Living in My Environment. That. And then Learning the Easy Way with Colors, Shapes, and Numerals. This. Guys, I remember using this book when I was in infant school, like legit. When I saw the book, I was like, crap, I totally used this book in Spanish show in infant. And then Amari is using it now. So those are textbooks. Then they wanted construction papers. I want a pack of construction papers. So I got a pack of construction papers. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, good amount of colors in it. This is my least favorite thing out of everything that I got for Amari. But that's what happens when you send a man to do a female's job. The scrapbook. I mean, couldn't he have gotten a cuter scrapbook, you know? One that's like a little bit prettier. It's just, But anyways, yes. We also got scrapbook, and so that. Then we also got these pencils, which are supposed to be jumbo pencils. We got about 6 of these because that's what was on the list. We got Pritt sticks, 2 of these, and we also got a clear washable glue. That's that. We also got a paper scissors. I'm not sure I'm liking this paper scissors, so I might end up getting another one because this, I don't know. I'm not sure if it's, I don't know, but I'm not sure liking this one, so I might end up getting another one. I'm not sure as yet, but this is what we're working with for now. If any moms out there, let me know if this is a good enough paper scissors for a 2-year-old to be using, right? I asked the lady at the store and she gave me this. So then we also got permanent markers, 3. So we got red, green, and blue. 3 permanent markers. We got whiteboard markers. I don't know what he's going to be doing with whiteboard markers. Is he going to be writing on the whiteboard? I don't know, but they have whiteboard markers on it. So we have purple, black, red, blue, and green. So we have those. Then we have crayons, and we got the Crayola brand, and it's the jumbo crayons, and this came in a pack of 8. So jumbo crayons. We also got markers, and these are jumbo markers as well, and these are washable. Yeah, washable markers, and this also came in a pack of 8. Lord, it's a lot, guys, it's a lot. Then we have paintbrushes. I think these are cute. I really like this one. So it came in a pack of 5, and yeah, so these are the paint brushes that we got for him. And we also got one of the 6-pack of liquid paints. So yeah, I was contemplating if I should have gotten the one with 12 or just stick to the one with 6, but I just said I'm just gonna go with 6 for now, and then if anything we can always get more. So we have the 1 with 6 here, so that's that. I also got him some sharpeners. I got 3 because you know kids are always losing sharpeners, and it's the one with the jumbo and the small on it. So I'm not gonna give him all 3 at once, guys. No, I won't do that. We also got Play-Dohs. This one came in a pack of 4, red, yellow, blue, and green. I bought one for him before, but that was 6, but they were like smaller than these ones. So I'm hoping that these are okay, these big ones, and the colors and everything. But yeah, we got him this pack of Play-Dohs. I couldn't allow Amari to see all of this because he would want to play with everything and use everything right now. So yeah, he's currently watching cartoons while I'm doing this video. So yeah, anyways, the next item that we got him is this ABC puzzle type of thing, because they wanted alphabet puzzles and so forth. So we just got him this little one. He does have alphabet puzzles at home, but those are the ones that I'm using at home with him, so I'm not going to just send those to school. So we just got this so he could take to school with him. It has the alphabet, and then it has, I think, up to 1 to 9 in there as well. So this should work for that. Then we got him some building blocks. They wanted the jumbo ones. I presume these are jumbo ones. They're big. See? It says, I don't know. It's in Spanish. But anyways, yeah, it says construction sets. Whatever. But yeah, we got him these. He has not seen it as yet, as per usual. So alrighty. They also wanted a cushion, and we got him this cushion. Oh, I love it so much. I just think it's so cute. Actually, Amari picked this cushion. We were in the store the other day, and he said he liked it. So I picked up a blue one, and he said no, he wanted the black one. So we ended up getting this cushion for him to take to school. But I freaking love it. I'm thinking about getting 2 more just for the house. Cause come on, guys, isn't this cute? It's so freaking cute, yo. But yeah, that's that. I also bought this because I want to wrap his school books. I don't just want to send them, so I'm going to wrap them with these, kind of protect the covering and all that. So yeah, we got that. Also got him some socks, you know, kids. Socks. And so the blue ones are for regular school, the white ones are for when he's going to PE. And yeah, guys, white dirt. Anyways, we also got him this. It's a like a, what do you call it? God. Anyways, it's that thing that you put on over here when you want to cover up from paint. But I can't remember what name now. Jesus. Okay, I do remember. But yeah, you know what I mean. You know what I'm saying. It says heart smock on this, but there's another name that I'm trying to remember. But for the love of me, that ain't happening. And then I also got him a pack of briefs, because you know he's gonna need fresh things for school. So these are kind of Spider-Man thingy. All of them have Spider-Man in some way of sort. Yeah, so I got him these little undies. cool. And we got his uniform, which is expensive. Well, it's not expensive, but size 2. These are in a size 2, the smallest that they come in. And this is what the shirt looks like. It probably looks a little bit big on camera, but it does fit him. It's a little bit tall, but it fits. And then these are the bottoms. It's elastic waist and it's the short pants, because he's 2 and they're saying that he shouldn't wear a belt because it's probably not very easy for him to open and whatever when he needs to go to the bathroom and all of that. So for his age group, they're supposed to wear the elastic waist and the short ones. Not sure how this looks on him, not sure with him not needing and all of that, but it's gonna have to work. Yeah, so that was the uniform. We also got his school shoes, which is this. We're working with this for now. Amari foot is so darn big. Oh Jesus. Probably get that from me. This is an 8.5, guys. And it's 2, like. This is the size for a 4-year-old, I think. But I just personally think he has big foot. Big feet. So that's the school shoes, regular school shoes. And this is the one for PE. And this is 8 wide. So this is the sneakers for PE. They did say white. If not, I don't think I would have gotten a white sneakers for PE because I'm gonna have to wash that. And you can imagine how dirty this is going to be when he gets home from school. And last but not least, my favorite out of everything, his school bag. Woohoo! It's PJ Masks, guys. He loves it. So it's a PJ Mask. I love the outside of it. It's very thick. I don't know what type of material this is, but I am loving it. So it has this section here, this little front section, then it has this bigger part here. It has this, then it has the 2 side pockets this side that you can probably put, I don't know, something in. And then this part that we can put like a water bottle or something in it for him to carry. But yeah, this is the bag. I think it's pretty cute. This is it. I like it. And we also got the matching lunch bag for it. This is that. So yeah. And then we got a pencil case that also matches it. This is it. I love it. I love the quality of it. It's not anything. And it's a 2-part. So it has this back section and another section at the front. So I like it. Really do. And I think it's pretty cute. And Amari loves it. So these are all the things that we have gotten for Amari's back to school. Can you imagine, for a 2-year-old, all these things? It's just, I don't know. But yeah, we got all these things. The only thing that we haven't gotten yet are, you're supposed to get 2 notebooks. I haven't bought those as yet because I haven't seen any that I like. I was looking for like PJ Mask or what's the other one, Paw Patrol type of books, but I haven't seen those, so that's why I haven't gotten the books as yet. And what else have we not gotten? The only thing that we haven't gotten as yet is like his PE gears and stuff, which we're gonna have to get to from the school, and that's gonna be in September and all of that. But yeah, this is my back to school for my 2-year-old. If you enjoyed today's video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Yes, guys, subscribe. and always leave a comment. Let me know down below if you like any of these things that I got for Amari. If your son or your child is also going back to school, have you done your back to school shopping as yet? Because this is the 1st of August, guys, and I've already completed my back to school shopping because I cannot deal with the last minute rush. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.